I made a chicken thing that has a horn and egg ears, and I used little pyramids for the arms. I drew his mouth on, and I used a ring for the nose and little tiny stars for his feet.
And I made a chicken type unicorn thing, hybrid, yeah.
You mad, bro? I said you mad, bro?
Hi guys, it's Kendall and Bella, and we're in second hour HLModTech, and we made a cool project on TinkerCAD. My project, it's a bunny dinosaur thingy.
This is mine, it's just a dinosaur with bunny ears, you know, all that.
We're doing a competition against Ryan and Abram, so like this video, so we can win.
You can't say my name.
My name is Abby, and I was in fourth hour Mr. Harmon's, and I made this comb for my dad. I was in fourth hour Mr. Harmon's, and I made this butterfly girl using butterflies.
So then it would be player one's turn.
Hey guys, my name's LJ. Mr. Harmon taught us how to make this on Scribble, but I'm so cool I made that.
Hi, my name is Hannah, and I'm going to be in Mr. Harmon's fourth hour class. And I made a painter ghost with a beret on it. And I made myself some mountains in the background wearing a beret, and there's a little pink butterfly on top.
Hi guys, my name is Brady. I'm in Mr. Harmon's fifth hour class. I am one of his new students, and I designed a Scribblecopter on TinkerCAD. And I followed this whole video. Here's the Scribblecopter being created right now.
My name is Jake Wagner, one of Mr. Harmon's 5K supporters. I took the time with Mr. Harmon to write my name on the back. Use this.
You are so silly.